Okay, let's look at this parabola here. We've got a parabola f of x equals ax squared minus 8. Ooh, minus 8. There's the parabola, minus 8. Look, I bet you that's minus 8 right there. In fact, that's the thing they want us to figure out. Point A first. If we put 0 in there, then y equals minus 8. That means the coordinates of A are 0 and minus 8. That's A right there. State the coordinates of D, but it's not many marks. It's like 1 mark or something. So, oh, I know what the story is. It's 2 and 0. It must be minus 2 and 0. Just by symmetry, it's minus 2 and 0. Now, this one's a little harder. Find the value of A. We've got to take this point here and let f of x, which is really y, equal 10, and x equal minus 1. That's what we do. Let y equal 10 and x minus 1. Well, minus 3 squared is 9. We add 8 to both sides. 8 plus 10. 9a equals 18. A must be 2. A is 2, so it's 2x squared minus 8. And it makes sense because that's a happy parabola. Okay, show by calculation that p equals minus 2. Well, I know that the gradient of this line, I should just find the gradient of this line. Why don't I do that? The gradient of CB is 10 minus 0 over minus 3 minus 2. What does that equal? 10 divided by negative 5. The gradient's minus 2. And that's what P is. It's the gradient. Therefore, P is minus 2. So I showed by calculation that P is minus 2. Determine the value of Q. Well, now we know that's minus 2. Let's just pick this value. When x is 2, y is 0. Then we add 4 to both sides. Oh, Q equals 4. That looks about right. If that's up there at 10, that would be about 4. That looks right. Q is 4. Now, what's the range of f? Well, there's your function f. It goes all the way down to minus 8, and it goes all the way up to infinity, but it can't go below minus 8. The range is all the things that y can be. So y is greater than or equal to minus 8 is your range. You might get away with that as your answer. But y is any real number that's bigger than minus 8. So I like to put y as an element of real numbers, but y is greater than minus 8. And there you go.